Finally, a wellbeing course that's easy to implement, cost-effective, and addresses the most fundamental topics of wellbeing. Project One Sky. Whether you've delivered our course before or you're new to our community, you're in for a treat. Today, we've released the online version of Project One Sky. Hi, I'm Colin Fallon. After many months of research, design and implementation, you now have access to the most cutting-edge online wellbeing course delivery system available. You see, at Project One Sky, wellbeing is our thing. Every one of our speakers is passionate about their own well-being, and they realise that to look after their well-being is to look after the well-being of others. That's why we've created this platform. We deliver a series of expert-led video workshops hosted by the teacher in the classroom. The workshops approach well-being in terms of the physical, the psychological, and the social or environmental aspects, interweaving concepts such as mindfulness, ethical well-being, and intelligent smartphone and social media use throughout. The week-long project run by students at the end of the programme is used to both explore meaningful directions as well as to encourage positive habits. The final day presentation is done by podcast, video documentary, or good old-fashioned posters, and certificates are awarded upon completion of all homework modules. Sign up now to get our pilot discount.